We made blank mistakes, so we lost. Too many, too much. What's the difference? Well, too is followed by an adjective. We say too hot, too sweet. Too many is followed by a countable noun. Nouns that we can count, like eggs, countable, people, countable. Too much, uncountable noun, like salt, coffee. We cannot count them. Here, mistakes is a countable noun. And with countable nouns, we use too many. I forgot my phone. Can I use your? Can I use yours? What's the difference? Your needs a noun after it, but yours does not need a noun. No noun here. Here we say, can I use, and blank, no noun here, just a question mark. So we use yours here. Can I use yours? Or can I use your phone? Because your needs a noun, but yours does not. Let me write the whole list here for you. We say, this is my phone, but this phone is mine. This is his phone, but this phone is his. This is her phone, but this phone is hers. This is our phone, but this phone is ours. This is their phone, but this phone is theirs. This is your phone, but this phone is yours. These are possessive adjectives, and they need a noun after them. And these are possessive pronouns, and no noun needed after them. You answer this one. This is not your t-shirt. It's my, or it's mine. Remember, there is no noun here. Which one does not need a noun? My or mine? Look here and answer.